Are broadleaf and grassy weeds such as crabgrass, nutsedge, annual bluegrass, chickweed, clover, and ground ivy a constant problem in your home lawn? Bonide's Weed Beater Complete will control those weeds and more so you can have that picture-perfect lawn you've always wanted. The Granular Weed Beater Complete provides selective pre-emergent and post-emergent control of many lawn weeds on southern and northern residential lawns. It's absorbed by the leaves and shoots of existing weeds and prevents the growth of newly emerged weed seedlings. This product treats up to 5,200 square feet and will remain active for up to 6 months, depending on the rate used in the application of the product. Apply Weed Beater Complete using a drop or rotary spreader to evenly apply it over the treatment area. For best results, apply this product to a damp lawn and then irrigate the treated area after 48 hours. Use 1.9 to 8.6 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area, depending on the turfgrass species in your lawn. Do not apply this product for weed control in ornamental or vegetable gardens, as it's strictly to be used on home lawn areas. For that beautiful lawn, use Bonide's Weed Beater Complete, the all-in-one weed control for home lawns. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.